A student is online and ready to start the session.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Chandel, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Log into the classroom.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Chandel, I think you didn't go through the homework tool yesterday. One second. I will bring the sheet to the board. Just hold on.
Okay.
Parallel 625. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this was the homework that was assigned to you. So let us just try 3-4 sums from this sheet. Okay. Then we can move to the new lesson. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So can you just try this question? A segment skew to BC. A segment skew to
Mm-hmm.
BC.
BC.
Skew lines are lines that do not intersect and are not coplanar.
Can it be DM?
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah,
Can it be?
sure, it can be DM.
Okay.
Okay. Then, yeah, so just write the answer here. Segment. Okay. Now, similarly, a segment parallel to segment AB through point J. Through point J.
JK.
J. Okay, correct. Now, similarly, yeah, identifying the transversals and alternate exterior corresponding angles. Okay, so consider the angle 4 and angle 9. Okay, so can you just tell me the transversal regarding this pair from the figure 4 and 9? Also mention the name of the pair. Four and 9. Identify the transversal and also give me the name of the pair.
4 and corresponding.
Yeah, of course they are corresponding, but to which transversal does this pair belong?
To T and B.
Transversal.
Oh, S.
Very good. Okay, write down. So be very careful while identifying the transversals. Okay, so write down S and the name corresponding angles. Okay. Okay, corresponding angle. Okay, so this, and again the next section is also regarding parallel, skew and intersecting segments. So for the next session, just complete this sheet. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so save the screen.
Okay. Save.
Okay. Okay, now we can start the new lesson. Okay, 1 second.
Oh yeah. My mom wanted me to ask that
Hmm.
that weren't you supposed to go and leave today?
Yeah, yeah, I have sent a mail to your mom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah, everything is specified. By today, my leaving date and the day I will be back. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see the lesson?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, in the last lesson, we know parallel lines, skew lines, transversal, and also the pair of angles formed. Correct? Now, these angles are having certain properties. Okay? So, in this lesson, we will be discussing about the different properties of the angle pairs. Okay? So, 1 second. Yeah. Can you see the figure? Angle between parallel lines, two parallel lines and one transversal. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And this line is known as the transversal. And these two lines are the parallel lines. And okay. So can you see these two pair, this pair, green color?
Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of angles are they?
Vertical lines.
Yes, vertically opposite angles. And already we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then corresponding angles. Can you see this? They are corresponding angles. So by drawing the two parallel lines and the transversal, if we measure the 8 angles formed, we can see that vertically opposite angles are equal and also corresponding angles, that means this pair, correct? For example, let us name the pairs A, B, C, D. So A comma B, similarly C comma D, correct,
Mm-hmm.
are corresponding angles, right?
Mm.
They are also congruent. So the properties of corresponding angles, when they are formed, they are congruent. Okay? Corresponding angles are congruent. So when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, where corresponding angles are congruent. Now the next set, alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles means 1B, 2, 3. That means the pair 1, comma B and the next pair 2, comma 3. They are alternate interior angles, right?
Mm.
Okay. They are also congruent. So, but corresponding angles are congruent. Alternate interior angles are congruent. Similarly, alternate exterior angles. Can you point the alternate exterior angles in the figure?
Alternate. Um.
Alternate exterior. Exterior
Oh,
means it will be,
okay.
yeah,
It'd be G and D.
G and D. Good. The next pair,
A and C.
A and
C.
can you just point with your pointer? Yeah, that is E, okay?
Oh.
Okay, no problem, it happens. E, okay. So they are always make it clear that alternate interior angles will be always inside the two parallel lines and exterior means it will be outside the parallel lines. Okay. So generally they have mentioned here alternate angles are equal. That means alternate interior and exterior angles are congruent. Now interior angles, see interior angles, that is either consecutive angles or same side. Consecutive interior angles or same side interior angles. Okay. So can you give me the name of consecutive interior angles or same side interior angles from the figure? Consecutive, from the term consecutive and interior and also same side.
B and C.
B and C, good. And?
Oh, well, is that a 1?
Yeah, 1, correct. 1.
1 and 3.
1 and 3. Okay. So 1, 1, comma 3 and C and B. Same side interior angles or consecutive interior angles are supplementary. That means angle 1 plus angle 3 equals 180 and angle C plus angle B equals 180. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
So alternate angles are congruent, corresponding angles are congruent, consecutive interior angles are supplementary. Okay, so these are the properties regarding the angle pairs formed. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now regarding this there are some postulates and theorems. Okay, the same concept. That means first one, corresponding angle postulate. That means if two lines are two parallel lines, see, we used to denote parallel by the symbol. Okay, is it clear? By two
Yeah.
lines like this. So wherever you see these two lines, it means that, for example, if it is given AB like this means that AB parallel to CD. Clear?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the corresponding angles are congruent. Okay, this is corresponding angle postulate. Now next one, alternate interior angle theorem. Chandel, what is the difference between postulate and theorem?
No idea.
Postulate means a rule accepted without any proof. Okay?
Can I type that down?
Yeah, sure. If you want, I will type here. For a rule, yeah, I'm writing here, no problem.
Okay.
A rule accepted without any proof is known as postulate or axiom. Okay? Then theorems and the difference is which we are able to prove with the help of these postulates. Clear? Yeah,
So,
we can prove using the with the help of postulates, and basically I think this we discussed in our section 1, and one on the test there was a question, you remember, one multiple choice question. It was given a rule accepted without a proof. Option A postulate, option B axiom, option 3 theorem, and option D postulate and axiom. So you have to choose postulate and axiom. Clear? Okay. Now next one, alternate interior angle theorem. Same thing. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then alternate interior angles are congruent. Again, consecutive interior angle theorem means if two states that if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then consecutive interior angles are supplementary. Then coming to alternate exterior angle, again alternate exterior angles are congruent. Okay? And these postulates and theorems we use when we are doing sums. For each step we have to mention the reason. Okay? Yeah, it will be clear. Yeah. Can you just try this question? Let us do it together. And also see, if you are seeing the arrowheads like this, it means that the lines are parallel. Okay?
okay.
Like this. Okay? Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. One second. I will give you more space. Yeah, you can solve it below. Angle BDG. Okay. Measure of angle BDG. Yeah. First of all, identify the pair and identify the property of the particular pair and mention the theorem. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Two lines, not simply like this. If two lines are drawn and marked like this, that means these two lines are parallel. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So we are supposed to find EDG. Okay.
So wouldn't it be
Mm.
x minus 30 equals to 2x minus 135?
Yeah. Just specify the reason also. That means you just write down the equation here, and
So
here you mention the theorem. According to which theorem or postulate. What kind of angles are they?
parallel.
No,
Um,
angle, pair. Are they corresponding, alternate, interior, same side? What is that?
uh,
Mm,
they're corresponding.
corresponding. So that means according to corresponding angle postulate, right? You got they are congruent. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yes. So write down here x minus 30 equals 2x minus 135 and mention here corresponding angle postulate. You can use short forms, no problem. Corresponding angle postulate. Yeah, that's fine. Good. Corresponding angle postulate. Okay.
So what I
Mm.
know what postulate means, but what is theorem?
Theorem means we can prove that. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. The rule which can be proved.
Let me type that down. Okay.
Okay. Now next one. Yeah. See, now what is the next step you are going to do?
Solve it.
Yeah.
Move everything to
Okay.
the other side.
Yeah. So, what is the next step?
Plus 30.
Okay. So just write down here addition property.
Okay.
Because each step, yeah, this is the way how we have to answer when you are asked to find the value of x or isolate the value of any variables. So mention here addition property. Okay. Addition property, fine, that's fine. Or adding, no, addition property.
Okay.
Addition property.
What's the difference?
Now both are the same thing. The property is known as addition property. And what is addition property? You're writing here adding plus 30 on both sides. Clear?
Okay.
Okay, next step.
How do I move the X? Yeah. How do I move the X?
1 second here.
Oh, it's 65.
Okay. Now, minus, 1 second, x minus 35. Here also you have made a mistake. It is 2x minus 135. See?
Oh.
Yeah. 2x minus 135.
Can I start differently? Instead of doing the addition property,
Okay.
I can minus 2x.
Okay, no problem. So you have to mention here subtraction property. That's all.
Okay.
So mention here subtraction property. Okay. Now here also you are supposed to find measure of angle BDG. So observe the figure carefully and see which is the angle you are supposed to find. BDG. Hello?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
not sure.
See, can you just point the angle on the figure or mark the angle on the figure? Okay. BDG. Okay. We can solve this in two ways. That means these two angles are supplementary. Am I correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because same side interior angles, right?
Mm-hmm.
Also, these two angles are supplementary, linear pair, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. And also one more method again, here this is 75. So already this is 75 means 180 minus 75 will give you x, right? Is it clear?
Got it.
Yeah,
So it'd be 180 minus 75.
yeah. And already it is mentioned as x. We have already got the value of x as 105. Okay, there are many ways you can prove that, but we should be able to identify it in the
Two.
easiest method. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now here you can write down supplementary property.
Here?
Supplementary property or linear pair postulate. Okay. Now next question. Can you see the figure?
Yeah.
Yeah. And there are two sums, A and B. Yeah. First one. Measure of angle 4 equals 2x minus 17 and measure of angle 1 equals 85. Find the value of x. Whenever you are getting a question like this, you should apply all the postulate. That means sometimes you need vertical angles corresponding, and you should also check whether linear pair is possible, same side interior, like that. So one of the measure is given, correct? 85, right? This is 85,
Mm-hmm.
85 degree, and angle 4, that is 2x minus 17. So you should think that how can you connect this measure and this, or is there any way so that you can get any of these measures and get the value of x?
Could you plus them together and then minus 180?
1 second, sorry, which you are going to plus together?
85 and 2x minus 17?
What is the reason? How did you get that?
Because the two parallel lines are intersected with a transversal line. So it's, let me show you. So this would be 180, and if you add these two together, that would be half, well, sum of it, and then you can minus 180 to your answer, and that would be this part of the.
No, we cannot apply all those. See here, this is 85, right?
Mm-hmm.
Correct. So this will be
85.
85. Then what is the relation between these two angles?
They're parallel, so they're congruent.
Not congruent, they are supplementary, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So that means when we add 85 and 2x minus 17, that will be equal to 180. See, in this case, we will not apply any straight angle rule or anything. Okay, directly apply either vertical angle theorem, supplementary relation, linear pair, like that. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is 85. Obviously, this is 85. Then 3 and 4 are same side interior angles, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they are supplementary. That means
So it would be
85 plus, no, supplementary means their sum equals 180 degree, correct?
oh yeah, so
Yeah.
it'd be
Yeah, 3 and 4 are supplementary means angle 3 plus angle 4 equals 180. So here, same side consecutive interior angle theorem, right? Consecutive interior.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I will write. Just continue. Consecutive interior angle theorem. Subtraction property, all these things you should mention actually, okay? And here division property, you are dividing 2 on both sides. Clear?
Hmm.
Okay. 56. So you got the value of x. Yeah, you are supposed to find the value of x. Okay. Now next one. B. Find y if. So here already given angle 3 equal to 4y plus 30. Angle 7 equals 7y plus 6. So observe the angles 3 and 7 and see whether you can get any angle pair relationship.
So it's like the same thing. If angle 7 is 7y plus 6, then angle 5 would be 7y plus 6.
Angle 5 would be 7y plus 6. Okay, but we have to find the value of y, correct? And it is given angle 3 also. Can you tell me what kind of pair is 3 and 7?
They are alternate interior.
So that means you can equate both the measures. Am I correct? 4y plus 30 equals 7y plus 6, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you can isolate the value of y then, right?
Yeah.
Clear? Yeah. Actually, we don't need y5 here. Am I correct? Because already 3 and 7 are alternate interior angles. They are congruent. So by equating both the measures, you can isolate the value of y. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So here, alternate interior angle theorem. Okay. Save screen.
Okay.
Yeah, saved.
Almost.
Okay.
Saved.
Okay. Yeah. Now, this is another theorem which is already in the same lesson. It's known as perpendicular transversal. Okay, perpendicular means, that means it makes 90 degree with that angle. For example, see, if a transversal is perpendicular to one of the two parallel lines. So in the figure it is obvious that, see, this is one of the parallel line and this is the transversal, and here it makes 90 degree, correct?
Yep.
Yeah. So can you tell me what will be the measure here? If this is
Wouldn't it
90
be
degree,
90 degrees?
if this is 90 degree, here it will
Mm-hmm.
be
90 degrees.
90 degrees. The reason, corresponding
Because,
angle,
yeah.
yeah. So anyway, it's obvious this is also 90 degree. So anyway, there is a theorem. If in case, if a transversal is perpendicular to one of the two parallel lines, here it is given it is parallel to H. Okay. Then obviously we can say that it will be perpendicular to K also. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Can you see the questions in the figure? Angle 1 is given and you have to find the measure of angle 3 and also mention the postulate. Or theorem used.
Mm. Oops.
Yeah. According to the which angle, corresponding angles are
Um.
congruent, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so just write down corresponding angle postulate because it is mentioned here. Tell which postulate. Corresponding angle postulate or corresponding angles are congruent.
And number 5 would also be 94.
Number angle 5. Angle 5. Yes. What is the reason?
Because if angle 3 is 94,
Hmm.
and then 5 it must be 94 because it's a vertical angle.
Okay, any other reason? Can you just tell me? Angle 5 can be
Also
94.
because it's also the alternate exterior
Good.
of
Okay, okay. So
angle
write down,
5.
yeah, alternate exterior angle theorem. So angle 5 is also 94 degree. The vertical angle theorem is also correct. No problem. Alternate exterior. Okay, always use the exact word. Exterior angle theorem. Okay. Now angle 4.
Just wait.
Okay, sure.
Would it number 3 be consecutive exterior?
Sorry, consecutive. Which
Exterior.
ones? Which angle? Angle 4 and
1.
actually we don't have such a pair, right? Only we have consecutive interior or same side interior angles. Am I correct?
Oh, so how do we express the outside?
Because see, there are many ways you can see. You know that angle 5 is 94, correct?
Uh-huh.
So what will be angle 4?
Angle 4 must be 94 also.
And see once again, angle 5 is 94. So what will be angle 4? See, this is a line and like this, correct? And it is given, this is angle 5 and this is angle 4.
Oh, 94 minus 180?
180 minus 94, linear pair, or they are supplementary, correct? Or sum of the angles on a straight line equals 180 degree, correct? Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 94.
Oops.
Supplementary angles. Yeah, correct. 180 minus 94. One eighty minus 94 equals okay. Yeah. Find the value of the variables in each figure. Explain your reasoning. Are you sure? According to which reason?
Isn't it because since... Oh,
I know. You was thinking about alternate interior. Am I correct?
yeah.
Yeah, alternate interior. I just mentioned interior means it will be always inside the two parallel lines. And alternate means one angle will be on the one side and other in the opposite direction in the other side like this. See?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah. Can you say anything about y and 114?
Y equals 114?
Yes. What is the reason?
Because they're both congruent parallel lines.
And which angle pair are they?
Hmm?
Angle pair. See, they are parallel lines. Okay. My question is why angle y equals 114? According to which reason?
That if the transversal
See, think about the angle pairs. Are they corresponding? Are they alternate interior? Are they alternate exterior?
I think corresponding, right?
Correct. Yes. We don't need transversal, parallel, congruency, anything. They are corresponding angles, hence they are congruent. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so write down. So you got the value of y.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you can easily find the value of x. So before that, write down y equals 114. Mention the reason. Corresponding angles are congruent. Or corresponding angle postulate.
Angle.
Reason?
Because they're supplementary angles.
Supplementary. Yeah. Okay, now next sum. Yeah. Can you see the next sum? Here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now isolate the value of y. Chandel, see, we know that, one second. Hello? Yeah.
Yeah.
Just a suggestion. See, already we know that corresponding angles are congruent. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, actually this will be already 105.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, see? Okay, just, okay, this is not, anyway you will be getting the correct answer, but still, corresponding angles are congruent, hence you can directly write y plus 25 plus 105 equals 180. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Chandel, one second. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
What did I do? 180 minus 130, right?
Yeah.
Oh, 50.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
Now last one.
I have a question.
Yeah.
3y plus 40 is this one, right? This angle?
Yes, yes.
So this would be 90 and this would be 90, right?
How?
Because isn't this like a straight line?
But without giving the measurement, we cannot conclude that. It should be given the marking of 90 degree. Is it possible?
So So would it be 3y plus 40 plus 3x minus 70 equal 180? Because they're...
Yeah, but we cannot solve the equation in two variables, right? Yeah. So either we need to get the value of one variable and then substitute that and then find the value of y. Is it clear?
Yeah.
That means if you are getting x and y, we will not be able to isolate either the value of x or the value of y. So we should go to any other option. See, here what can you say about these two angles? These two are parallel lines. So what kind of angles are they?
Wouldn't x be 120 also?
One second, see the figure carefully. These are parallel lines. See like this. And this is a transversal. This is 120. This is x. So they are
Corresponding...
no, they are interior angles anyway. So what kind of interior angles?
consecutive interior.
Yeah, consecutive interior. So hence you can isolate the value of x, correct? Yeah, and hence substitute the value of x and then you can find the value of y.
So x would equal 120?
No, if they are consecutive means they are supplementary. Am I correct? Consecutive interior means they are...
Okay, so it'd be 120 plus x equals 180?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now we got the value of x, right?
Then you can plug in x.
Yes, yes, correct, good. So here the reason is consecutive interior. Okay. Now
It would be 3y plus 40 equals 110.
supplementary means...
Oh yeah, 3y plus 40 plus 110
Yes.
equals 180.
Yeah. Correct. Okay. So I think this page is over. Save screen.
Okay.
Okay.
Save.
Save. Okay. From the figure, you can conclude that P is parallel to Q and R is parallel to S.
Mm.
Whenever you are getting a question like this, it will be better just draw the angles, for example 1 and 2, right?
Mm.
Okay, so consider the transversal for 1 and 2 and the parallel lines for that, and then like this, correct? So what can you say about 1 and 2 now? Angle 1 and angle 2, according to which pair are they?
They are corresponding.
Correct. So what is the property of corresponding?
It would be plus then plus. I mean, 3x plus 15 equals 4x minus 5.
Correct. Okay. Then connect with the next pair like that. So now you'll be able to get the value of x, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Too messy. I'll just type it.
Okay. X equal to 20. Okay. Now come back to the question. We are supposed to find the value of x and y. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now let us see which angle is y. So angle 3. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And can you find the value of angle 2 and angle 1 by substituting the value of x?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, both will be equal. No need of finding both. Correct? Because they are corresponding angles.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, okay. So now we are trying to find the value of y, and phi y is related with measure of angle 3. Okay, now see. This is the transversal. Okay, so this is our angle 2 and this is our angle 3 and this is 5y and this is angle 2 is 75. Okay, now can you get the value of y?
Yeah.
Yeah.
5y equals 75?
Yes.
25? Yeah.
Yes.
13?
75 divided by 5. 75.
15.
Yeah, okay. Okay, good. Now, I think we have, okay. Yeah, can you just try to find this one? Let us try this.
Okay. So since these two are corresponding, it'd be 5x minus 5 equals 4x plus 10.
Okay, correct.
Okay.
Okay. Now you got the value of x. Now substitute the value of x and isolate the value of y.
So it'd be
1 second, 6y minus 4 equals 70. How? Can you just mention the reason?
because they're both um all consecutive interior.
Okay, they are consecutive interior, but if they are consecutive interior, what is their property? Are they congruent?
Yes.
No,
No.
they are supplementary, right?
Mm.
Okay, so
Then
that
you have to
means,
minus
yeah.
by 180. Okay.
See, this is 4, okay, not minus 6. This is 4 here.
Yeah,
No,
but isn't it
this is
negative
70.
4
This is
plus 10?
70. 7
Oh
zero.
yeah,
Yeah.
I couldn't see it. Okay. So it'd be 66.
Yeah, 66. Subtracting minus 66 on both sides. Okay. Okay. Okay, now save screen. Then channel, I have assigned the homework. The lesson ID is, I'm writing on the board, parallel underscore 6 underscore 26 underscore SW. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you and bye. See you after the break. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, save
Bye.
screen. Bye.
Okay, saved.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye.